So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about properties of addition and subtraction. So when we talk about arithmetic, we're talking about basically the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So there are some properties. First of all, for addition, if you have like 13 plus 5,027, you can add those together, either 13 plus 5,027 or the other way around. Like if I were doing this problem, I might want to write 5,027 plus 13 like this, if I had to do it by hand, and then, do this little number, and I'd get 5,040. But if you were to put this in your calculator as 13 plus 5,027, you'd get the same answer, okay? Just, you could type that in. This is called the commutative property of addition. So it doesn't matter which order you put them in. Subtraction, however, is not commutative. Like if I have 13 minus 5,027, that is not the same thing as 5,027 minus 13. Think about your checkbook. Like on the right, you're saying, I have $5,027 in my account, and I'm going to subtract 13. That's way different than if you have $13 in your account and you're subtracting 5,027. Okay, so you can talk to your bank on that, but that's completely different. On the right-hand side, I'm just subtracting, and so I get 5,014. But on the left-hand side, I'm taking the difference, and again, I can put this in the calculator, but I'm going to get a negative 5,014. So not the same thing. One you're getting charged by your bank, and the other you have lots of money you can go spend. Okay, so addition's commutative, subtraction's not commutative. Now, grouping, how we put things together. So if I have, let's say I have 17 plus 5 plus 25. Does it matter which two numbers I add first? No, it doesn't. So, if I wanted to add the 17 and 5 together and say, well, that's 22 plus 25, that would be 47. But I probably wouldn't do it that way. If I had it, I would want to do it this way. I like to look for groups of 10. So I'd say, what's 5 and 25? That's 30. And then that's easier for me to add and get 47. Okay? So, but it doesn't matter. So we say addition is associative. Okay? It doesn't matter how you group it. You want to add two numbers together and then add the third number or rearrange them? That's fine. So addition, being commutative and associative, allows you to do a lot of things when you're doing the calculations. Subtraction, though, is not associative. So let's say I have 17 minus 5, and I'm going to do that and then subtract 2. So we're saying it's not the same thing as if I have 17 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, so let's see what happens. Here I would have 12 minus 2 on the left, I'd get 10. But on the other side, I'd have 17 minus 3, I'd get 14. So you don't get the same answer. So subtraction is not associative. Okay, so there's a little quiz that you can take just to practice this, kind of get you used to some math, and then you can come back to the next video.